haulage capacity and load trials, AC and diesel locos. The main objective of load chart and trailing loads will enable realistic trailing loads to be fixed with the likelihood of stalling more or less eliminated, at least on account of motive power inadequacy. The loco hauling capacity stands considerably reduced in wet condition as compared to the values used hitherto. This will enable proper appreciation of stalling incidents and readjustment of load or number of locos if needed. Hauling capability of the locomotive. Factors affecting loco hauling capability. Locomotive design, number of locos used for haulage, that is single or multiple, track conditions and rail wheel contact like gradient, track curvature, rail profile, vertical irregularities, angle of attack, slipstick effect, rail surface conditions, etc. Environmental and weather conditions like dry track, wet track, oily track, etc. The various formula or assumptions adopted for calculation of load trials table are given as under. Number 1. Starting specific resistance of loco has been taken as 6 kg per ton. Loco resistance RL in kg per ton is given by RL is equal to 0.647 plus 13.17 by W plus 0.00933 V plus 0.057 by Wn multiplied by V square, where N is the number of axles, W is axial load of the locomotive and V is the speed in kmph. Starting specific resistance of boxen loaded wagon has been taken as 4 kg per ton. Specific rolling resistance in kg per ton as applicable to loaded boxen wagons is given below. RT is equal to 0.6438797 plus 0.01047218 V plus 0.00007323 V square. Starting resistance of ICF loaded all coil coaches has been taken as 4 kg per ton. Specific rolling resistance in kg per ton as applicable to the loaded ICF all coil coaches Bg is given by RT is equal to 0.6854599 plus 0.0211244 V plus 0.000082 V square. The load chart for freight trains based upon the maximum loaded boxen 59 cc plus 8 plus 2 tons plus brake van equal to 5400 tons. The load chart for passenger trains is based upon the maximum load of 30 ICF SG coaches, that is 30 into 55 tons, 1650 tons. To consider the effect of curvature, compensated grade has been taken into account as under 1000 by G plus 0.4 into S is equal to 1000 by X, where G is grade, S is degree of curvature and X is compensated grade. Permissible load trials should be worked out based on actual load trials. Model haulage capacity and load trial table given by RDSO. For WAG 9 locomotives. For WDG 4 locomotives. As per WTT 75 load table, thank you.